Mystery Story Rubric. Characters. Novice describes actions using adjectives, describes how the characters respond to events and challenges. Apprentice describes actions and feelings using adjectives and adverbs, describes how the characters respond to events and challenges. Practitioner describes actions, thoughts, and feelings using adjectives and adverbs, describes how the character responds to events and challenges. Expert. All of the Practitioner Plus includes direct quotes to show the character's thoughts and feelings. Setting. Novice tells the reader where and when the events are taking place. Apprentice uses descriptive language to show the reader where and when the events are taking place. Practitioner uses descriptive language to show the reader where and when the events are taking place using adjectives. Expert. All of Practitioner Plus makes a connection between the setting and the events, to be explained in a small group or mini lesson. Events in order. Novice includes a beginning, middle, and end into the story. Apprentice introduces the problem in the beginning of the story, concludes the action with a solution at the end of the story. Practitioner introduces the problem in the beginning of the story, concludes the action with a solution at the end of the story, uses temporal words to signal event order throughout the story, and provides a sense of closure. Expert. All of the Practitioner Plus uses foreshadowing in the beginning to give the reader a hint at the solution, to be explained in a small group mini lesson. Conventions. Practitioner meets all of the criteria of the Krupp's checklist. C. Capitalizes sentences, names, places, and all proper nouns. U. Understanding of nouns and verbs agree. P. Punctuation at the end of sentences and quotation marks add to the tone of the story. S. Spelling of all words is accurate using resources like the text and the word wall.